Hello, in this video tutorial I show you how you can design your own door. Please note that the functions we're using in this tutorial are only available in the product versions Cadvilla Professional and Cadvilla Professional Plus. In the first step we open a new 2D view. We maximize the view and we deselect the grid and the line width. Now we enter our door with the help of guidelines. Therefore we select 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline, Vertical Guideline. Before we enter a guideline, we change the color of it. Therefore, we press the right mouse button and select Properties. We click on Appearance. We select Color. We select, for example, green and we press OK. OK and OK. We zoom a little bit into the view and we enter our first guideline. Now we select again 2D Guidelines, Guideline, Numeric Parallel Guideline. We enter a guideline from this point into this direction with a distance of 1 meter. We press OK. And these two guidelines are now the width of our door. The door, in our example, will get a height of 2 meters, a width of 1 meter and a deep of 4 centimeters. We zoom a little bit into the view. And we select again 2D Guidelines, Guideline, Horizontal Guideline. We place our guideline, for example here, and we select 2D Guidelines, Guideline, Numeric Parallel Guideline. From this point into this direction a distance of 0.04 meters, and we press OK. Now, with these two guidelines, we have defined the width of the door. We zoom again into the view. And now we select Construction, Extrude Solid, and insert with polygon. We make a left mouse click into the view to select a surface, and we press the right mouse button to select Properties. We select Extrude Solid, and we enter for the height 2 meters. That's the height of our door. After it, we press OK. Now we enter the Extrude Solid. This is the first point. This is the second, the third, and the fourth. We press the right mouse button and select Complete. We entered now our Extrude Solid, and now we zoom out of the view to enter a section view. We select View, New Section View. This is the first point. We press Ctrl for a 100% horizontal line. This is the second point. And this is our section view. We place the views side by side. And we select the section view. Press the right mouse button and select Visibility. We open the help elements and deselect the origin. After it, we press OK. We select Show All and we open a new 3D view. Therefore, we select 3D and we place the views side by side. Now we move the 2D view into the correct position. We select the 3D view, deselect the environment, and we click on Show All. And at least we select the section view and move also the section view into a correct position. In the next step, we will import a picture that we will use as a template for our door. Therefore, we select 2D and Layout, Insert Bitmap, and Rectangle. We select a picture of a door and we press OK. Now we select the area of our door. This is the first point. And this is the second point. The picture is imported now, and now we adjust the scaling. We select the picture. If you can't select it the first time, don't move your mouse and make again a left mouse click. Press the right mouse button and select Adjust Scaling. We select 2 points of known length. The length is 2 meters, that's correct, and we press OK. In the next step, we will define some guidelines, so we send the picture of the door to back. We click on Send to Back, and now the picture of the door is in the back. We press Escape, and now we define the guidelines for our door. Therefore, we select 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline, Numeric Parallel Guideline. Now we have to find out the distance to the riglet so that we can enter our guidelines. Therefore, we select the top of the door and we place a guideline on the riglet. The distance is 0.1543 meters and we round off to 0.15 meters. With this method you can find out distances on a picture. In our case we have already measured the distances. The first line is from this point into this direction 0.15 meters. We press OK, and the next line is from this point into this direction also 0.15 meters. We press OK again. One more line is from this point into this direction 0.75 meters. OK. And also from this point into this direction 0.75 meters. OK. One more line from this point into this direction 0.12 meters. And from the opposite side also 0.12 meters. Press OK. And from this line into this direction 0.15 meters. And also from this line into this direction 0.15 meters. We press OK. And we press Escape. In the next step we create the riglet for the door. Therefore we use a sweep solid. At first we zoom into the 2D view. Now we select the section view, Construction, Sweep Solid and Insert with Polygon. We select the door surface in the 3D view. And now we press the right mouse button and select Properties. We select Sweep Solid and we open the catalog. We click on Decoration, Miscellaneous and Decoration 01. For the width we enter 0.025 meters. And for the height we enter 0.01 meters. This is the reference point. And we press OK. This is the first point. This is the second, the third, the fourth, and this is the last point. We press the right mouse button and select Complete. We select again Sweep Solid, Insert with Polygon, this surface, and this is the first point, the second, the third, the fourth, and the last point. We enter one more Sweep Solid with Polygon, this surface, this is the first point, the second point, the third point, the fourth point, and this is the last point. The sweep solids are entered now, and in the next step we will copy them to the opposite side of the door. Therefore we select the 2D view, we zoom a little bit into the view, and we select our sweep solids. The sweep solids are selected, and now we copy them to the opposite side. We select Copy with Reference Point. This is our reference point. We press Ctrl at the same time for the same horizontal position, and we place the copy of our riglets on this position. Now we zoom a little bit out of the view and we turn the riglet around the Z-axis. We select around Z-axis. This is our reference point, and we turn it for 180 degrees. In the next step we move the riglet to the door. Therefore we select Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point. We press again Ctrl for the same horizontal position and we move it to this point. We zoom a little bit out of the view and we press Escape. We can take now a first look at the door in the 3D view. As we can see, the riglets are now defined on both sides. Now we enter the door handles with the help of guidelines. Therefore, we select 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline, Numeric Parallel Guideline. We enter a guideline from this point into this direction with a distance of 1.05 meters. After it, we press OK. We press Escape. We select the 2D view and we click on Catalog. We select Component, Windows Doors and Doors Window Handles. We select, for example, the handle 8_1 and we drag it to the 2D view. We drop the handle and we press Escape. Now we select the handle 8_2, we drag it to the 2D view, we drop it and we press Escape again. Now we move our door handles to the correct position. Therefore, we select the section view. We select a handle. We zoom a little bit into the view. And we click on Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point, and we move the handle to this position. The first handle is positioned now, and we zoom a little bit out of the view. We press Escape, and we select the second handle. We click on Move with Reference Point. This is the reference point. And we move it to this position. We press Escape. And we zoom a little bit out of the view. We select the 2D view. We zoom a little bit into the view. We select a handle. Click on Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point. We press Ctrl at the same time again, and we move it to this point. We select the second handle. Click again on Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point. We press Ctrl again and we move it to this position. After it, we press Escape. We zoom again out of the view, and in the next step we define the color of our door. Therefore, we select the 3D view. We click on 3D Functions and Edit Material. We select the door and we make a right mouse click at the field Texture and select Remove Selection. For the color we select white and for the diffuse portion we enter 100%. After it we press OK. The main part of the door is now defined in white color. To change the color of the riglet, we click again on Edit Material. We select the riglet. We make again a right mouse click on the field texture and we select Remove Selection. The color is white. And for the diffuse portion we enter 98% to get a little bit of difference to the main color of the door. We press OK. And we select Transfer Material and we transfer the material of the riglet we just defined to the other riglets. This is the first one and this is the second one. We press Escape and we turn the door. We select again Edit Material. We select a riglet and we press again the right mouse button at the field texture and remove selection. For the diffuse portion we enter again 98% and we press OK. Now we select Transfer Material and we transfer the material of this riglet to this one and to this riglet. After it we press Escape. Finally we edit the material of our door handles. Therefore we select again Edit Material. We select a door handle. For the color we select white. We press OK. And for the highlight size we enter 60%. After it we can press OK. Now we turn our door. We zoom a little bit into the view and we select Transfer Material. We transfer the material of this door handle to this door handle. Now, finally, we have defined all parts of our door with the correct color. Now we ray trace our door to see the full result of our work. Therefore, we make a right mouse click on Ray Trace and we select for anti-aliasing Strong Anti-aliasing. We press OK and we click on Ray Trace. In the next step we save our door as a 3D object file. Therefore we open the menu, select Export, 3D Formats and 3D Object File. We click on Catalog, AEC, Doors, and we create a new folder. For the name we enter, for example, Tutorial, and we press OK. We select our folder. We enter a name, for example, Door 1, and we press OK. We press OK again, and now our door is saved to the catalog. One important point when you save a 3D object is the Windows User Account Control. If the account control is activated, it is possible that your object gets saved to a temporary folder, not to the folder you have selected for it. If this happens to you, you can find your object under the displayed file path. Our door is now saved as a 3D object in the catalog. In the next step, we have to edit the properties of the door in the catalog so that we can use the door in our next projects. Therefore, we select at the catalog the folder Construction Elements, Doors, and the folder Tutorial. Here we make a right mouse click at our door and we select Edit Chunks. The Chunks dialog opens, and at the preview window we can take a look at our door. At the point Chunk Type, we select the type Common Information. At the point This Chunk, we select Add or Replace. And at the point Object Type, we select Door 3D Object. We switch now to the chunk type Opening Element. At the point This Chunk, we select Add or Replace. And finally, we click on the button Find Contour. This function defines the recess body in the wall. The preview functions also help you to define the recess body. The green lines are the contour points which the program finds automatically. Here we can select the stop. We select in our case single leaf right hinge. And add additional parameters. We enter for the door thickness 0.04 meters and for the deep correction 0 meters. After it, we press OK. Our door is now finished defined, and now we take a look if it works. Therefore, we open a new 2D view. We maximize the view. We zoom a little bit into the view, and we select Building, Walls, External Wall, between 2 points chain. We enter a wall. We press Escape. And now we select Door, Door, Free Positioning. We press the right mouse button and select Properties. At the point Selection, we select the folder Tutorial and we select our door. When we click on 3D, we can take a look at our door in the 3D preview. We could also change the frame, the dimensions and the hinge on the left or on the right. We press OK, and now we enter our door. We press Escape and we select the 3D view. We deselect the environment. We zoom a little bit into the view. And now we can take a look at our door in a project. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.